Hey, what's up? Yeah, I mean, I think that now's not an appropriate time. My extended warranty. So wait. Hi guys, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. Today, I came across something, a neat tip that I think you guys could make a lot of money on, and that is making signage for dioramas and model airplanes and model railroads. And I have a process that I want to show you on the Glowforge where we're going to create these little signs, and these signs are created by a very simple process that I'm going to explain very quickly. And what you do is you download the signs as much as you want and get yourself a large format printer. You could use a small printer, an 8.5 by 11, but I bought a Canon printer that does up to 19 by 13. 17 by 11 is this piece of paper. So I put a bunch of images here, and then I put the vector, an additional layer of the vector that will cut this out, including the windows. And then what I do is I first cut out this outline here. I cut out these two shapes, and I could use some proof grade material, but which is fine, but I went ahead to the local hardware store and I cut down some 19 by 12 pieces. So what I want to do is first, obviously, like I said, print these on some cardstock or some glossy paper. Then you want to get yourself a piece of wood for the laser cutter, and then you want to cut out just the two outlines. This SVG file will not work with these images. You have to make sure the SVG file is stripped of these images. And then what you want to do is when you only cut out these two outlines here, don't cut out the actual outlines that are on the windows. When you're done with that, you're going to want to, first of all, when you place this in the laser cutter, you're going to want to tape it down to make sure it doesn't move, because you're going to remove just the inside of it and put it back exactly where it was. And then you are going to use spray mount and take out the inside part of this, cut out the edges, just the inside of this, mount that to the inside part of this wood by using this spray adhesive. You can clear coat it if you want, and then place that centerpiece with these images on it back into its original spot, and then rerun just the actual outline file of the signs. Or these are for my Pinewood Derby video series that I'm making. This is the garage door and the signs for the road and signs for the gas station and stuff like this. But I think this is an awesome idea for you guys to potentially make money with your laser cutter, because if you just go on eBay, they seem like they're selling like hotcakes. Some of them are sold out. You can do any types of signs. It's unlimited, Route 66, O gauge, N gauge, all these different gauges and scales. Those are just scales of different models that you could do. Even if you wanted to make a diorama yourself, you could potentially do that. So this is an awesome project for your laser cutter or Glowforge. So I'm going to position these inside of my Pinewood Derby racetrack, that video series. If you haven't checked that out, I'm actually laser cutting cars for that. I'm having people submit cars for that on Facebook, but I'm also doing a bunch of laser cut cards which are made out of pine, and you can assemble those using a multi-layer process. I'm also going to be doing them on the CNC, so tune in for that. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications, and subscribe to support me. I really love making videos, but I could use your support. Thanks so much, and whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out.